Today I'll show you how to measure your window for curtains step by step and how to use BGment's measurement tool to get the perfect size. You'll need a measure tape, a pen, and paper, and first measure the width. If you already have a curtain rod installed, measure the total length of the rod from one end to the other end and write it down. And if there is no curtain rod installed yet, measure the width of the window and plan to extend the rod about 6 to 10 inches on each side. Next, measure the height. If you already have a curtain rod, measure from the top of the rod down to the floor. If you don't have a rod yet, measure from the top of the window, then add about 8 inches for the rod placement. And write it down. Now, decide how many curtain panels you want. You can choose a single panel or a split panel depending on the look you prefer. Next, choose the fullness. Add more volumes and dimension. For pleated curtains, fullness does not affect the width, so this step can be skipped. For non-pleated curtains, you can choose 1.5 times, 2 times, or 2.5 times fullness. For a single panel, multiply the rod length by the fullness. For multiple panels, divide the rod length by the number of panels, then multiply by the fullness. Next, choose how the curtain should fall at the bottom. You can choose half an inch above the floor length, or bottle.
After measuring everything, you can also use BGment online curtain measurement tool for a quick and accurate results. First, select your curtain style. Next, the tool asks if you already have a drapery rod installed. If you select yes, it will ask you for your rod width. If not, it uses the measurements we just wrote down to guide you. In this example, I'm entering the window width and allowing the rod to extend about 6 to 10 inches on each side for maximum height. Then, enter the height from the top of the window frame to the floor and add about 8 inches for rod placement. From there, choose the number of panels, your preferred fullness, and the curtain drop. The tool instantly calculates the recommended curtain size, making it easy to order with confidence.